So imagine walking out after a long day's work, seeing your 2020 Honda Accord sideswiped in the parking lot after it's been sitting all day, and you're thinking to yourself, man, this thing's destined for the body shop. But nope, it's not actually, and we can fix this using the paintless method, which basically means that we don't have to paint your vehicle or replace any parts to fix this. Now, you may ask yourself, why is that so important? And the answer is, the original factory paint coat on your vehicle is by far the best paint coat that you'll ever receive. And if you can keep it on there, it's going to last you the lifetime of the vehicle with proper maintenance, of course. And you can see us working on this vehicle right at the customer's workplace here, where this is actually called a glue pulling setup, where we are actually putting some tension on the center of the dent while we're going to be simultaneously relieving some of the stress using a hammer. This enables us to kind of move a lot of metal all at once, keeping things nice and clean, just essentially speeding up the repair, if you will. And I know it doesn't look like much from this angle, but from my view, working on this dent, I could watch this metal just kind of come back to its original position while I was tapping that down. It was pretty amazing to watch, actually, but just keeps us efficient throughout the repair doing it this way. So, all right, so we sprayed some alcohol and boom, there's our release. The alcohol actually breaks the bond of the hot glue to the panel, and you can see it just kind of pulls off there when we're done with the glue pulling setup. Okay, so after about a good solid hour of glue pulling, this fender's looking a lot better. The major dented portion is out, and still got a lot of fine tuning to do, but you can see the alignment's back, which is really good. Now the door will open all the way. It wasn't opening before because it was catching the edge of the fender, but now it opens. So we're gonna go inside with a paintless dent removal tool from the back side, and we're going to start pushing some of this distorted area you could see, and just pay attention to the light reflection moving on the panel there. You can see we're kind of pushing in this little area here, causing some high spots, and we still have a long road ahead of us here, but we're getting there. And very similar scenario right down here. We're just doing some fine tuning on the edge of the fender here, and you can see that metal being pushed out as well. Overall, we achieved an amazing result. Had a really happy customer at the end here. You can imagine this 2020 Honda Accord restored back to its original condition without the use of paint or body filler, done right at the convenience of the customer's workplace. The customer just came out, they wanted to give me a hug. But that's why I do it. It's a rewarding career. I enjoy what I do every day. Get a really big sense of fulfillment when I complete these repairs, and the customer has a huge smile on their face. And I'm really happy to be a part of this industry, this amazing, exciting industry. Some of this stuff is really groundbreaking, and I'm just really happy to be a part of it. So if you have any further questions about paintless dent repair in general, feel free to call at 386-216-5185, or you can go on to cfldentrepair.com. I have more educational videos there you can check out for yourself. I also have a Facebook page. The feed is Central Florida Dent Repair. I also have an Instagram if you want to follow me there. There's a pretty big portfolio that you can check out as well. The feed there is Bryce Kelly Dent Repair. Thank you again for watching. I appreciate it. Have a great night.